Hello dear students, good morning. Myself Devi Prasad sir. Today I am going to explain you about the chapter Electrolysis. Production, conductor, non-conductor or insulator, types of conductor, non-electrolytes, cell, battery, innate electrodes, active electrodes and ions. Conductor. It is a substance which allows electric current to flow through it. Is called a conductor. Then non-conductor or insulator. It is a substance which does not allow any electric current to flow through it. Is called a non-conductor or insulator. Types of conductor. There are of two types. Number one is metallic conductors. These are those which allow the electric current to flow through it without undergoing any chemical decomposition. And electrolytes are substances whose melts or water solutions conduct the electric current, and the passage of electricity through them produces a chemical change. For example, aqueous solutions of acids and salts. Lastly, the non-electrolytes, a compound whose aqueous solution does not conduct electric current is called a non-electrolyte. For example, pure water, alcohol, urea, etc. Cell. A source of electricity is called a cell. The negative terminal of the cell is always drawn short and the positive terminal is long. Battery. It is a group of cells that is called as a battery. Inert electrodes. These are the electrodes which do not take part in an electrolytic reaction. For example, iron, graphite and platinum. Active electrodes. These are the electrodes which take part in electrolytic reaction. For example, copper, nickel and silver. Ions. These are positively or negatively charged particles responsible to carry current in an electrolyte. Now, conductivity in solids and liquids. For testing the conductivity of a solid, it is connected to a cell or a battery of cells, which the help of some connecting copper wires, the glowing bulb indicates that the material is a good conductor of electricity. To test the conductivity of a liquid, two graphite rods are dipped into the test liquid. Glowing bulb indicates that the liquid is a good conductor of electricity. Solid sodium chloride does not conduct electricity because oppositely charged sodium and chloride ions are held together by strong electrostatic force of attraction, which prevents them from carrying the charge. Hence, the ions are not free to move. Molten sodium chloride conducts electricity because the heat supplied to the solid sodium chloride for melting it weakens the bond present between the oppositely charged ions, which are now free to move. Hydrogen chloride and ammonia are covalent compounds, but their aqueous solutions conduct electricity. It is due to the fact that both of these compounds are polar covalent molecules. They do not conduct electricity in the absence of water due to the absence of free ions in them, which are generally responsible to carry the electric current. And the rest part of this electrolysis you will get in my next video.